Showings were up this report over last year this time as buyers have more inventory to see and the rates dipped slightly. It's Friday, August 22nd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Overall list prices were up this week, a median 4.02% from last year this same time. This breaks down each market as the Baltimore metro area median list price remains unchanged year over year. The Southern Maryland median list price is up 0.5% from last year this time. List prices fell 10.24% on the Eastern Shore year over year. The Maryland suburbs list price is up 2.13% this year compared to last. The Mountain region list prices are up 36.85% this report comparatively. Inventory slumped 21% this week with fewer homes to the market this report than last at 2,015 units. Coming soon properties rose 6.2% this report to 1,380. Homes going under contract fell 12.3% this report from last report to 1,632 in 23 median days. 1,361 homes sold this report in 17 days at 100% list to sold ratio and at a median $435,000 sold price. Rental properties rose again this week to 3,213 and priced at a median $2,700 per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 22nd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. There won't be a market update next week, but I'll see you in September. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe.